Hello, how are you? My name is Muhammad Wakas, and in today's video, we are going to discuss the different types or kinds of essays in especially in IGCSE or A level or O level exams. So this video is very useful for the students who are going through these syllabus. So this video is very important for them, and we also discuss the different types of essays, that what type of essays we should cover during our academic session, and what are the useful tips to write a very good and motivated essay in order to get a good marks. First of all, in today's video, we just talk about the descriptive essay and the narrative essay. That what is the main difference between these type of essays, and what things we should keep in our mind while dealing with such type of question in exam, because the examiner, if I talk about the English as a second language, IGCSE exam or O level or A level, the examiner usually ask about the descriptive essay or the narrative essay. So most of the students have a little bit confusion in the types of the essays, that what is the main difference between these two essays, and which material we are going to add or put into our answer, and how we deal with this type of essay. So basically, this video is all about the descriptive and narrative essay, that what is the difference between descriptive essay, and what are the things we should keep in our mind while dealing these questions. So let's start. Types of essays. So yes, there are some different tips and techniques to analyze the text, and in order to get good score in exams. So yes, there are some different parameters to analyze different type of text, and how we can written in this text very easily. First of all, we are going to talk about the descriptive essay, that what is descriptive essay, and what are the things which we must keep in our mind while dealing with this type of essay. So basically, this is a type of essay that describes a person, place, or thing. The purpose is to create a mental image for the reader, making them feel like they are experiencing what you are describing. So this is the statement of the essay, and we must understand first of all the question or the statement in which we examiner ask a question from the student, that what type of statement is this, and this statement is related to the descriptive essay, or any kind of essay. So first of all, try to understand that in descriptive essay, the examiner always asks a question that describe a person, place, or thing, or what he demands from the student side is that the purpose is to create a mental image for the readers, and the reader, the student who are writing this essay, making them feel like they are experiencing what they are describing. So here are some of the key elements which we discuss one by one. The first element is sensory details. Usually sensory language to describe what you see, what you hear, what you smell, you feel. You can use all those images incorporate into your text. The second main element of these type of essays are vivid language. The candidate must use descriptive words and phrases to create a mental image for the reader. The third main important thing is that figurative language. I think the candidate must use literary devices such as metaphors, similes, and personifications to add depth and creativity to your description. You can use one metaphor in the text. You can also use one or two similes and personification in order to attain the reader's attention, in-depth attention. The fourth important element is specific details. The candidate must use specific and concrete details to describe the subject, rather than general or vague terms. These are the main key elements which every student should keep in his mind while writing an essay on the topic of a descriptive essay. The next thing is that what should be the structure of the descriptive essay. First of all, if we talk about the structure, the first of all, we are the candidate is going to introduce his topic in introduction paragraph. The candidate must introduce the subject which he is going to deal and provide some background information and set the tone. Basically, the candidate here write 4 to 5 lines of the introduction in which he stated the subject. He also provide background information and set the tone. Sorry. The next structural element of descriptive essay is body paragraph. So here the candidate use sensory details and vivid language to describe the subject in, I think, more than 2 paragraph is enough for the descriptive essay, because we must deal with the quality, not the quantity. So I think 2 paragraphs are more than enough in this section. And the last one is conclusion. In conclusion, the candidate must write and summarize the main points and possibly reflect on the significance of the subject. So here the candidate can conclude his descriptive essay in this sense. What type of examples of descriptive essay are? So yes, there are a lot of examples on descriptive essays topic. Here are some examples for your better understanding. The first example is my school. The second example is on mobile phone. The third one is my best friend, memorable place, favorite season, likewise cultural festival or celebration. So there could be any of them the topic of descriptive essays. The next main category of our essay is narrative essay. Basically, narrative essay is an essay that narrates a story, past event, biography of someone, etc. It is a type of essay that tells a story or a recount an experience. It can be a fictional story or retelling of historical events. The purpose of a narrative essay is to engage the reader and convey a message, theme, or insight. So yes. We also have some key elements in this narrative essay. The first key element is plot. What is plot? The sequence of events that make up the story. This is called plot. You first of all draw a plot of all the sequence of the events and to combine a story. The second main important thing of this narrative essay is characters, the people or animals that drive the plot and interact with each other. So yes, these are the main elements of the the narrative essay. You are obviously talking about the people, you are talking about the event, you are talking about the maybe the animal. So yes, these are your characters and you must interact these characters into each other. The third thing is setting the time and place in which the story takes place. You must talk about the time that how many years or how many days or how many time period time period is in this event, when this event is happened, and on which place this event is happened. So yes, the setting is also very important. The fourth thing is that theme, to discuss the underlying message or insight that the story conveys. So yes, theme is also very important, and you must talk about the theme on I think 4 to 5 lines. That is more than enough. And the last point, the key element is that point of view. The candidate must discuss his or her point of view, the perspective from which the story is told. So basically, these are the key elements which any candidate should keep in his mind while writing a narrative essay. If we talk about the structure of the essay, first, yes, we have to introduce the first we have to give a brief introduction in which we give the background and the thesis statement. The second paragraph should be on body paragraph, in which the setting, the characters, the plots, the climax, and the resolution. You must at least touch each and every content, and write 3 to 4 lines on setting, 2 to 3 lines on the characters and their relationship, You must draw a plot, and you must input some climax and then the resolution. The last paragraph should be consist on the conclusion, in which you recall the summary, the reflection of the your thesis statement, that what is your thesis statement and insight. So basically these are the things you should try to command these things. And yes, there are some examples of narrative essay, that how you can differentiate between the descriptive essay and the narrative essay. So it's all about the statement of the question, and you guess the statement of the question, and you try to understand the meaning, that what examiner is asking and what he is expecting from your side. So all these things keep in your mind. And there are some examples of narrative essay. The first day at college, yes, this is belongs to the past event. World War One, World War Two, these are also historical events. You must recall the experience, and try to give the reader in your full impression and imagery. The third one is a lesson learned. So maybe some lesson you have learned from the other person, the lesson you have learned from your life, from your past events. So you must try to narrate those events in a very in a concise and very systematic way. Another example is the people who influenced you. Tell a story about someone who has had a significant influence on your life, and why. So yes, there could be a statement of narrative essay. And the another one is a lesson learned. Again, I am talking about that you tell a story about a lesson you learned and how it has impacted on your life. So these are the different examples of narrative and descriptive essay. At the end of this video, I must talk about the useful tips, that how you can hold a strong grip on these topics. So the first recommendation is that textbooks, that you must use textbooks and academic resources specifically to your course or subject. The second important recommendation is that research articles, that research read as much research articles and journals to stay updated on the latest development related to your field. And the third recommendation is that academic databases. A student or a candidate must utilize academic databases like Google Scholar or ResearchGate. So these are some tips in order to get a better understanding of the topic, and in order to enhance your capability of writing a good and attractive essay, and you can hopefully scores good. Thank you so much. Keep watching and subscribe our channel. Thank you.